It's essential that you focus your social media content. This is something that's going to help you stand out from the pack. I'll talk about that next. As many of you know, there's a lot of competition out there as far as trying to become an influencer or to try to appeal to influencers that could someday maybe help you become one of those influencers. Now, part of what's going to help you to be successful to compete with so many people out there, tens, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of voices out there that are offering similar content to what you're offering, is to find ways to stand out even more against the competition that you're facing to become one of those influencers. So think about what your expertise is. Think about the things that you enjoy doing. Look at what the competition would be for you to try to gain the attention of people out there that could be interested in your content and your perspectives. Now, it's going to require some time on your part. It's going to require you to sharpen your focus, to think about what you are good at, and to really focus on that to help you build your audience so that you have a consistent audience of people coming back, checking in for your content. As you continue to build your audience, then you can expand the things that you offer, but initially you may have to focus your content to be a little bit more specific and a little bit more specialized to help you draw a good audience that's going to be loyal and that's going to give you great audience retention. So think about what you're an expert at, think about ways that you can be entertaining, think about the knowledge that you have to offer people, and then focus on trying to connect with those people using your wit, your personality, your knowledge, or whatever you have to offer to strengthen yourself in those specific areas to build an audience that's going to come back for more.